You've got big goals to maximize the reliability of your assets and drive more throughput. However, manual processes and communication breakdowns are causing disruption, delays, and costly mistakes. Prometheus Group's integrated EAM software helps solve boots-on-the-ground challenges while making your assets and ERP more productive. We've been serving heavy asset and manufacturing companies for over 25 years. Our customers are industry leaders who shape the world and fuel its future. They power their plant, people, and ERP with the Prometheus Platform. Our modular technology lets you start with a single app to solve a discrete challenge and grow from there. We help you get more out of your existing ERP investment by analyzing asset data, improving field adoption, and providing data governance. Our solutions are designed to work everywhere work happens, including offline mode. We use advanced modeling and AI to prevent asset failures and help technicians. And the Prometheus platform can be used to manage all stages of capital projects, from construction and commissioning to electronic permits and safety management. We're built for the whole plant, letting you improve responsiveness and increase throughput. So book a demo today and talk with an expert. We'll get to know your process, build the business case, and partner with you through implementation. In less than 90 days, you'll be live and generating real cost savings. We're Prometheus Group, connecting processes across the EAM lifecycle.